Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You start by verifying the problem now. Open Task Manager, go to Details, and find the service host. Network Service PID so you know which process is active. Once done, create a system restore point in case you need to roll back and update the network driver plus Windows to remove known bugs. Then, run netstat ono and the resource monitor to record active connections and bytes per second for 1 to 2 minutes. This gives you a measurable baseline and a target. Now you dig deeper. Open Resource Monitor on the Network tab and watch which child processes under service host hold sockets and highest send/receive rates. This shows how traffic flows. Next, run netstat obno to map ports to executables and cross-reference the PIDs with installed apps or Windows services to pinpoint the culprit. While you're investigating, run a reputable anti-malware scan and temporarily disable VPNs, cloud syncs, or backup clients so you can isolate whether they are the source. Finally, apply the corrective actions you identified. Unregister or uninstall the offending app or stop the service. If it's a driver, reinstall or roll back the network driver. Reset TCP/IP using netint IP reset and restart the adapter, then set the network as metered or limit Windows delivery optimization to throttle background transfers. Once complete, retest bandwidth against your baseline. Troubleshooting tip: if traffic continues, boot safe mode with networking and repeat the diagnostics. This isolates third-party interference while keeping a recovery point handy.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.